Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today we are going to complete Big Dog Forge's Touchmark. So what I'm doing here, and I'll have to apologize right now to y'all about the bad video quality and being able to get y'all in real close. It was hard enough for me to see this thing, let alone get a camera up close enough to where you could see me engrave this. And so, yeah, you're going to mainly see the tip of my head working for this video. But I just wanted to share y'all some thoughts, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video anyhow. Guys and gals, I should say. Anyways, so this first part that I'm doing, I've got the whole piece blacked out with marker. And for the most part, I've been doing this with the naked eye. I tried to use my dad's jeweler glasses, but that just really didn't work very well for me at all. I just mainly used my regular eyes because I seem to have been able to see a little more clearly that way versus magnification. So we've got a carbide scribe. I've blacked out the back with a little bit of a permanent marker, and I'm essentially transferring the design. And this is what it looks like. So this is what I'll start engraving into the surface of this punch. Now, I've done a whole tooling series on how to actually make these engravers and to be able to take it and do your own engraving. And I've also done some little demonstrations on how to engrave with them. But this was definitely challenging, and it was a lot of fun. You know, I had my tunes a-kicking and playing while I was filming this. I also had my brother in the shop. You'll see him here in just a little bit. And anyway, so this was, like I said, just a fun job to get done. I really hope Big Dog Forge, Tim over at Big Dog Forge, is going to enjoy it. I wanted to just shout him out again. He's been doing a lot of really cool stuff over on his channel. Some 6-hour knife challenges and some things like that. And he's definitely worth the watch. And I would highly recommend him to go check him out over there. I'll leave the links, again, to his channel in the description down below. And also at the end of this video here. The main thing that you want to focus on whenever you're actually doing this type of engraving work is to take your time. Okay, kick on some good music, listen to it. In this particular case, I was listening to some classical music. It just felt a little classy. And yeah, you know, just take your time with it. Check it several times, check the depth, make sure that the depths of the cut are where you want them to be. And yeah, take your time. You really can't rush this. If you rush it, you'll end up making some big mistakes. And we'll go over those in a later video. But you know, you really just got to take your time and just do a good job. So that's going to be it for this video, and you know, I hope you guys will enjoy it. And here's a little bit of a bonus clip for y'all. Okay, everyone, I got Tim at Big Dog Forge's Touchmark done here, and all the while, the reason why I did it in a time-lapse mode is my brother was making some noise working on a basin here. He comes into the shop and pesters me from time to time and helps me out by a lot. So, and if you guys couldn't take and tell he's my brother. No resemblance at all. None. No family resemblance. He's the mailman's baby. I'm pretty sure of it. Pretty sure of it. So, say hi, Tony. Hi. Oh, alright. Well, I had fun making this project. I think Tim will enjoy it. We'll see. Give you guys a little preview. Probably can't see that well. Anyways, it's in there. I'm going to go ahead and do the heat treating on it. I won't show that in this video. I'm saving time here at this point in time. I've done that in other videos, showed you how to heat treat them and stuff. But I'm going to get this in the mail to Tim at Big Dog Forge. Make sure you go check out his channel and, you know, subscribe if his videos are something that you're into. And hopefully he'll like this Touchmark. There is one pretty big screw up here, and it's thanks to him. Thanks to him. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'll just show you. There's big engraved in there, but it's the wrong direction. So it's like completely backwards the way it's supposed to be. Oh. What, you know, hey, it's a gift. So, Tim, if you don't want to use it and you just want to, like, put it on a shelf, that's cool too. But it will be hardened and tempered for use for projects that don't require you selling them or anything like that. Yeah. You can put it on your giveaway gifts. See? Just like that. No. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you all for joining me. Like I always say, God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one.